Children, in last class we read this page number 52. Hope you have seen this carefully. Children, here you can find out some numbers on it. See, here it is number 1. So here water is in water form. So it will get evaporated from here, and then on number 2 it will be in the vapor form. Then it is going here, so it is here also, it is in the vapor form, and when it condenses, now here it again converts into water, and on 4 number it is coming down in the form of rain or maybe in the ice. So here it is in the form of water. On 5 also it is in the form of water. So it is coming down, which is called precipitation. It's coming down from here, coming down, and it is coming into the water body, right? It is getting collected, right children? So it has mixed into the water body. Here also it is in the water form, here also into the water form. And if you will come to number 7, here this water is taken by a small fish. That small fish is eaten by a bigger fish is eaten by another bigger fish. So that water droplet which was outside has gone to the stomach of this bigger fish. So when sweating will take place, it will lose water, then again it will come back into the water. So on this 9 number, again it will come out in the form of water, maybe the same droplet but or the different one, but it will come out. So then again it will evaporate. Here it will be in the vapor form. Again it will condense, and then again it will come back in the form of rain or snow, and it may fall at the same place, it may fall at the different place. Like here it has fallen on a ground and it seeped into the ground and got collected. Then it was collected, it was taken by a plant from the ground, and it goes up into the plant. It is used up by the plant, and through transpiration it again goes into the atmosphere. Then again it is in the vapor form. Then again it goes to the clouds, condenses there, comes back in the form of rain or ice, then water, and then again it is coming down. Means like here they are shown that it has been collected by the human beings to drink. They have drank the water, and now they are sweating, or through other processes they loses the water. So this whole cycle keeps on going, and the total amount of water remains constant. So children, see this page from here, and then you have to attempt workbook page number 84 of the workbook. Here you have to write the journey of the water from number 1 to number 2. So this you can write yourself. Like here the water got evaporated, then again it is evaporating, then condensation, then it is coming down in the form of rain, or you can write precipitation, collection. So this you have to do yourself, right children? We'll do this much portion only, rest of the portions we are not going to do. So hope you will enjoy doing it. Good day children. Bye bye.